I am not with Metro anymore. I am with AT&T.
What it do, me and more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, I will be giving you an unboxing of my new MacBook Air M1 chip plus accessories. And if that is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. I am so excited to finally have my MacBook, y'all. Like, y'all, if you know, you know. I done have my share with editing on my phone, which has gotten me at the level I am at now, and I'm truly honored and very grateful for having my phone. But baby, I feel like it was well overdue for me to finally invest in a MacBook. Y'all, I had to close my eyes and pay for it. For one, I had to close my eyes, y'all. Close my eyes and pay for it because it was a pretty penny. It was. All jokes aside, I just thank God that He has allowed and positioned me to be able to invest in one. I know it is some people who are able to go in and purchase things, electronics and equipment just like that, but unfortunately for other people, including myself, I couldn't do that. And it really showed me how to use what you got until you get what you want. I felt like I did that well, and it has gotten my channel as far as it has gotten, and I'm truly honored and truly grateful for that. So far I've been enjoying my MacBook. As you can see, I love my case, as y'all already seen from the unboxing of it. Y'all know black is my favorite color, so I decided to go with the black. I did want to get the white one, which I think I am going to still go back and get a white one. They do have a white one. I'm going to make sure, I'm going to try my best to link everything down below where I got everything from. We'll say it is a new task that I have to learn. So it is a big difference. It's a big jump from, you know, my phone to an actual laptop. As far as editing, I do feel like it does take me a little longer to edit my videos now. I have edited 2 videos on it so far. I feel like I enjoy having a bigger view of me editing it, because it's on my phone. Sometimes I miss things. Like sometimes I could be having lipstick on my teeth or having a booger up my nose, and I can miss it because it's like a little smaller, and I don't actually see it until after I done exported the video and be able to see it in a bigger, you know, view. So I do love the fact that I can look at, I have a bigger view to look at my footage while editing it. I'm truly grateful for that. I did kind of like customize it a little bit, not too much. Do I need to flip y'all around? So I really haven't like customized it too much. Let's see, hope y'all can see. Pretty good. Let's see. So I was able to, you know, do my keypad thing. Y'all, I was watching this show. Hold on, let's exit out of that. And I'm getting the hang of it. It is, like I said, it is a learning curve, you know, for me. But I just came and went with this background for now, you know, something simple. I probably will be able to, you know, end up changing it. I do want to learn how to put widgets and stuff up there. I did decide to do the retro analog clock. See, that's the clock. I really like how it looks. Let me see. That's that. I did make my little thing down here smaller, and like whenever I touch on anything, it makes it larger for me. But I'm still learning, y'all. Like I said, I had deleted a video. I made some mistakes on it already, but it is a learning curve. Thank God for YouTube and TikTok. It'll show you how. I didn't even know how to delete, you know, footage, you know, images and stuff, and delete apps and dragging things and doing all that type of stuff. I didn't know how to, you know, do any of those things. I had to go on TikTok and, you know, do some of that stuff. Or I know I could easily, you know, call somebody who had one to kind of educate your girl on it. But like I said, overall, I enjoy it. Will say that I need to get something to like keep my screen clear. I mean, clean, because it's easy to get fingerprints. Like it's a fingerprint right there from me, you know, opening and stuff. But other than that, y'all, I'm enjoying it. I haven't used my external hard drive yet. I know eventually I'm going to start using it. I did end up purchasing the 8 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. I did end up purchasing that. And so I know I'm gonna need all the storage that I need, which my external hard drive, as y'all saw, was 2 terabytes. I do like my USB-C hub, I think that's what it's called. I do like that. I actually purchased my camera last week. It was the 28th, I want to say. Was it the 28th? No, the 20, it was last Wednesday, whatever day it was. But yeah, I was super excited to, you know, be able to finally put my hands on, you know, one. And as y'all see, I went with the space gray. I love, you know, the space gray. I love that color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.